Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new vehicle which we've recently had delivered into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 S-Line 45 TFSI Quattro S-Tronic. This particular model is finished in the Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 261 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 62 in around 6.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 mph. On the front of these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and working really nicely with the S-Line styling package. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests for rear passengers as well as tri-zone climate controls so the rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume of voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up front and rear sensors and rear camera, so you never have to worry about reversing into anything. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of each of them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like a look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.